How to log into Moodle when you're not on campus. You need a internet connection. Open up your internet browser, then type in www.wintec.ac.nz. This is the Wintec homepage, and you would need to come here only if you're off campus. By default, you land on this page here, which is the Wintec's home page. And then to access your area as a student, you will need to click on My Learning, which will look something like this when you go in. So this will be your default page. So while you're in My Learning, there are a lot of links you can access. To access Moodle, you can go to this tab up here, or you can click on this tab here. Once you've clicked on the link for Moodle, this page may appear. What you need to do is click at the very top right, log in, and you may be asked again to log in, or even add your username and password. So depending on which windows appear. So once you're logged in, there'll be a search box. There's also frequent Moodle sites that you've got access to, so you can use those as shortcuts as well. If you're unable to find your Moodle site, then you just type in the Moodle code, PUAD. So depending if you're on level 3 in my class, it'll be 304. If you're in business documents on level 4, it'll be BUAD 402. If you're on business technologies in level 4, it'll be BUAD 403. So once you've typed in the Moodle code, then push submit. You will get a list of the ones that you're enrolled in. If this is the first time you've been to Wintec, then you'll only get one occurrence. So you need to look for this code here. The 19 part means this is the year 2019. The 01 part of the number is what semester are we in. So this is 2019 semester 1. So you click on that and takes you to the home page. So feel free to look around our Moodle site. There's lots of information for you to view. In class, I will take you over the instructions of how to navigate through Moodle. If you're wanting to have a quick look before your first class, then the navigation links are on the right hand side for my Moodle site. Some tutors have the links up the top as tabs, but we've got so many tabs in my class, so these are quick links. So if you want a quick overview, you click on Schedule, Term 1. Same with level 4s, you'll have a schedule term 1 on the right hand side as well. This is the first week, and I've split the 4-hour class into 2 2-hour sessions. This is why you've got session 1 and session 2. So you can pop in here and see what is due for our first lesson in the first week. Note that the date here in this column is just the Monday date and not necessarily the date of your class. So I'm just referring to the date of when the week begins. So enjoy navigating around, having a look, and I'll see you in class. Thank you.